So today I would like to talk about the evidence for evolution. And I'm going to break up the content into two videos. So this video will be the part 1. So the first evidence I'm going to talk about is homology. What is homology? It is a characteristic that's shared by two species that is similar because of common ancestry. So the homologous structure is a structure that derived from common ancestral structure. And I have example for you. So if we are taking a look at the human skeleton, cat, whale, and bat. So all of the 4 skeletons have the phalanges, blue, the green metacarpals, yellow carpals, and the ulna, radius, and the humerus. So basically the structure is the same. And opposite to homologous structure, we have the analogous structure. So this structure serve the same function, but they do not derive from the common ancestral structure. So an example of this would be the wings of a butterfly and the wings of the bat. They have the same function, which make them to fly, but those wings, they are not derived from the common ancestral structure. So scientists use a system called phylogenetic tree, which is a branching of system shows the hypothetical family trees and shared homologies to have all the species related. So the purple vertical line they represent here is a homologous characteristic that's shared by different species. So for example, the tetrapod lynx, it is shared by all the species listed here apart from the lungfish. And the feathers, this characteristic is shared by those 2 birds. Okay. So another evidence is the fossil record. So the fossil record provides the evidence of the extinction of species, the origin of new groups, and the change within groups over time. And it also can show some important transitions, for example, a transition from sea to land. So the fossils are formed by sedimentary rock layers over time, and we call this strata. Younger stratum shows more recent fossils, while the older stratum shows older fossils. So this picture shows the ankle bone. And if you take a look at this, the bottom of this bone, it has no splits in the dog, but it has 2 splittings, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2 in these 3 species. So in this case, we can conclude that the whales and even-toed ungulates, they evolved from a relatively common ancestor.